In this video, I am going to show you how to play two-player in GTA 5 on PS5 offline. First, make sure you have your PS5 console set up and both controllers connected. Start by launching GTA 5 from your game library. Once the game is loaded, choose to enter Story Mode. You'll need to select one of the existing save files or create a new game. To play with a second player, you can use the second controller to join the game. Turn on the second controller and press the Options button to connect it to the game. Once connected, Player 2 can press the Options button again to join the session. Now, Player 1 can control the primary character, while Player 2 can switch to control the second character by pressing the Character Switch button, L1 plus R1. Players can now enjoy the game together, completing missions, exploring the world, or engaging in various activities available in the game. Keep in mind that some missions may require both players to work together, so communicate and strategize as you play. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.